Hi everyone, it's Rachel Smith with RE/MAX up in Big Bear. Today we are over at a Coldwell Banker listing, LaDonna Cravens at 2151 7th Lane. So come check it out. Okay, so here we are from the street, 2151 7th Lane. It is a corner lot. You've got Halloween right over here. Love that big skeleton. Oh, they got a bigger one coming out of the roof over there. Pretty cool. So, kind of bigger lots back here, which is nice. But just most like Erwin, no street sign right here. You kind of just have to know it's 7th lane, no intersection, stop signs right here either. But you're starting to get to the back of Erwin, so coming down, it's paved road to paved road, because a lot of Erwin Lake has just dirt roads. So you got dirt road right here. So here that's going to be the front entrance over here, but I'm going to walk to the property line on this side first. So the lot square footage is 30,905 square foot, and the interior square foot is 1,088. So if I was a betting person, probably the fence line, maybe slightly in, because I feel like I see a marker back there. This wooden fence looks like it's 6 inches off the property line, and that is that Blue House's fence. So you do have paved parking. The home was built in 2007. Manufactured home, paint all in great shape. Easily enough for 2 cars on the parking patio, but you could get more here if you needed to, plus like boat, trailer, anything like that on that back side. So here we are walking up to it. The back of the lot is going to be that fence right here. Let me walk back here really quick. So you could also put another driveway or something over here, or in the event that you wanted a garage, you could easily add a garage over here. You've got space. So this is going to be the property line kind of right here, along this fence that lines up. So technically, like, this stuff is almost a gift because it's an approach. Like, see how like there's a little bit of land outside of the fence lines. I guess it's questionable because their fence line is coming to here, and this would make sense for an approach. Otherwise, this is an incredibly large approach. Regardless, let's take a look at the inside. So the roof looks good on it. I don't believe that is the original roof, just because it was built in 2007 and it doesn't look 20 years old. So coming in at the entry, nice, beautiful door with these knots in it. Just light, bright, remodeled, beautiful, white, pretty. Manly. Both of them. Again, knots on the doors, but you've got vaulted ceilings. Everything's pretty open. Floors are hardwood laminate flooring, kind of like a light brownish in color, laid very well. It looks like there's a few oopsies over here where the spacing happened to come apart. We do have central heating, and we do have a skylight kind of thing going on up here. Dual pane windows come from the bottom up, but here we are in the living room. Okay, so living room, we've got bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, laundry, master. We've also got access to the outback from the kitchen. So I'm not sure what the use of the home was before, but it says remodeled it. So let's first go in the master. Nice, I mean, it smells super clean. Vaulted ceilings also in here. If you wanted to, you know, mountain it up, could put that log ceiling in there. The windows, I mean, you've got good views back here with the mountain range back here. But if it were me, I'd probably get like the shades that come from the bottom up, and then you're just kind of looking at the mountaintop back there. Would be a nice way to make that happen. So probably going to be bed here. You could also put the bed where I'm standing and have a great view of the skeleton next door. And here we've got the bathroom, definitely updated, like a dark espresso butcher's block countertop with a nice cast iron sink. Cabinetry, not necessarily updated, but definitely like painted, nice colors, nice handles, the whole 9 yards. Probably could go back further on here too if you wanted to and finish off that shelf and just go around the pipes. But you also have a lot of countertop space here. So we've also got a little closet for towels. Any bathroom things. Same floors all throughout the house. Toilet. And then the shower. So it's just like a plastic insert, but it's got this, that is almost just like a sticker that went over top of it. It's kind of cool. I mean, it gives it a different look, right? It's kind of a almond color too, because you can kind of notice the difference between the white and the almond. But clean overall, very, very, very clean. I love the color scheme that they did here too. So let's next go into the closet. So nice walk-in closet. Got like a his and her side. Hers. His. Hers. Hers. I don't know. Maybe there's no his. So coming in, now we're gonna go, let's see, where should we go next? Maybe let's see the other bedrooms, and then we'll go through the kitchen and outside again. So here we are going into bedroom number 2. Also a great size in here, very light, very bright, just because you've got the 2 windows in here. I think the only thing that I've noticed that needs to be done in the house is there, like you can kind of see like a little pinkish right there, but that is nothing. You could probably just buff that out. Super clean. Would make for a really good office right here too, just because it's so happy and bright. And then you've got a nice closet. Probably get like a tall boy dresser right here. Maybe a bed right here. You can do many things. You've got a lot. And then we've got bedroom number 3. So just the window on the one side in here. So probably bed this direction. Big enough for a king if you needed it. Bed also this way, but then you're kind of walking in and doing a jog around it. But right in front of the cars right here. Pretty similar size closet to the one across the way that we just left. And we do have a little mini hall closet just for towels and things that would be needing to be taken into the bathroom. So again, here, same materials. We've got the same espresso butcher block, same cabinetry, same handles, same sink, everything. We've even got a medicine cabinet, and same toilet, and same shower insert. Okay, so from here, I guess really you put your TV right here or over there. So you got different walls that you could put it on, even possibly right there too. Okay, so here we are in the kitchen. Kind of going to be like a dining room area right here. It's kind of blocked off with like a nice window from the living room. Stainless steel appliances. And all the same cabinetry, all the same color as the bathrooms. Countertops, the same. This looks like a brand new stove too. Yep. I mean, definitely remodeled. They did a great job with this. And check out the size of this sink. I think my 5-year-old could probably bathe in this thing. Like, that's one of the largest sinks I've ever seen. Oh, there's a bee. Interesting. I'm assuming that means no garbage disposal. Yep, no garbage disposal. All right, so here we have a little pantry area for food. We've got, heating and air conditioning. So I want to validate that they have air conditioning. Chances are they probably do. Especially in a unit like this that says it. And then laundry would go here. Probably gonna want some top loaders, I would imagine, because they're probably gonna come out to like here, and opening it might be a little cumbersome. It looks like they've drawn a circle for where it needs to be vented to go out, but it might not be vented yet. So we're gonna go outside now. Just kind of poke our head back here. You've got neighbors with some horse corrals back here. Kind of cool. Got a little bird on. I don't see any animals yet, but they definitely have the system for it. Water heater going to be in here. This is kind of neat. It's there's no gutters, but you've got these holes here. So I'm wondering if it drips through, maybe. I don't know. I'd have to see what that actually is. But this is where they keep the garbage cans. But like I was saying, you could probably get RV, boat, trailer things back here if needed to. And nice updated lighting too. So there you have it. $323 is the list price. Just fell out of escrow. Let me know what you think. Bye.